I'm Las Vegas personal injury attorney Neil Schaus. Here in Nevada, the process for getting compensation after an all-terrain vehicle injury is the same as for any car accident. First, the injured party's attorney would contact the negligent driver or the driver's insurance company in an attempt to settle the matter out of court. If an agreement cannot be reached, the attorney would file a negligence lawsuit for compensatory damages, such as medical bills, lost earnings, and pain and suffering. As long as the defendant is at least 50% to blame for the accident, the plaintiff is eligible to recover something under Nevada's comparative negligence law. And if the defendant acted maliciously or with a conscious disregard for the safety of others, the plaintiff can also ask the court for punitive damages. 5 common types of evidence involved in an ATV accident case are the following. 1. The official accident report by the Nevada Highway Patrol or other law enforcement agency. 2. Insurance company reports. 3. X-rays, MRIs, or other medical test results. 4. The testimony of the injured party's doctors. And 5. Law enforcement and eyewitness testimony. In general, lawsuits for ATV accidents must be filed within 2 years of the date of the accident. If you've been injured in an ATV accident here in Nevada, call my legal team at 702 Defense for a free consultation. The attorneys here at the Las Vegas Defense Group are here to fight to get you the biggest money settlement in your case.